Cancers, answers. Put them together and you get Cancers, a Kimmel Cancer Center series intended to introduce the doctors, scientists, and nurses of Johns Hopkins who work every day in the battle against cancer. Cancers, meet the experts.
Finding new pieces that fit into the cancer puzzle is what I do. I'm Stephen Balin, Deputy Director of the Kimmel Cancer Center at Johns Hopkins. As a cancer scientist, discovering new ways to eliminate cancer cells is my priority. Exhaustive research has revealed that cancer is far more than just a string of chemical letters or genetics tied together to make a DNA strand. No question, the genetics of cancer is important, but it's how the DNA is packaged in terms of how the letters are dimmed or brightened by chemical on-off switches that is equally important. We call these switches epigenetics. Epigenetic events can have profound effects on cancer. Imagine epigenetics as a long-term on-off switch in the body which serves, in concert with genetic changes, to apply or lift the brakes on cancer cell growth. With no brakes, the cancer cells are free to build into tumors. In my lab, we have found ways to use drugs that block epigenetic abnormalities. This could potentially reset the DNA to its precancer state. Instead of using a toxic chemical onslaught to kill cancer, these epigenetic therapies are different. They don't immediately destroy cancer cells, but potentially reprogram them to more normal states. Sometimes these cells don't tolerate being brought back to normal, and many just self-destruct with time. Already, clinical results have been seen in patients with pre-leukemia using drugs directed at epigenetic abnormalities. Based on these clinical results and our laboratory work, with our clinical colleagues, we're busy testing several epigenetic therapies on patients with lung and colon cancer. We are achieving some very promising results in a group of patients with advanced lung cancer who have failed other therapies. It's too early to tell if these therapies are working on a wide scale, and these clinical trials and our lab research is a constant work in progress. The hope is that one day, epigenetic therapy becomes a strong weapon in the arsenal against cancer.